If you get paid on the 25th and you're broke by the 10th, this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to budget a South African salary so you actually have money left at month end. No complicated spreadsheets, no finance degree needed. Let's go. Most South Africans were never taught how to manage money. School didn't teach it, our parents didn't teach it, and by the time we're earning, we're already in a cycle of debt, debit orders, and desperation. But budgeting isn't about being cheap. It's about telling your money where to go before it disappears. The number one reason South Africans fail at budgeting is they budget what's left instead of budgeting first. Here's what that looks like. Salary hits, you pay rent, buy groceries, fill up petrol, and whatever's left, you try to save. By week 2, it's gone. The fix is simple. Pay yourself first. Allocate every rand before you spend a single one. The most practical budgeting framework is the 50-30-20 rule. And here's how it works in a South African context. 50% goes to needs, rent or bond, groceries, transport, utilities, medical aid. 30% goes to wants, eating out, Netflix, clothing, entertainment. 20% goes to financial goals, savings, debt repayment, investments. Let's say you earn 15,000 Rand take-home per month. That means 7,500 Rand for needs, 4,500 Rand for wants, and 3,000 Rand working toward your future. Simple. Adjust the percentages to your situation, but the principle stays the same. Here are the exact steps. Step 1. Write down your take-home salary. Not your gross, your net, what actually lands in your account. Step 2. List every fixed expense, bond or rent, car payment, insurance, medical aid. These don't change month to month. Step 3. Estimate your variable expenses, groceries, petrol, airtime, data. Look at your last 3 bank statements for real numbers. Step 4. Subtract everything from your salary. What's left is your discretionary money, for wants and goals. Step 5. Automate your savings. Set up a debit order that moves money to savings the same day your salary arrives. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. Now here's where most people get stuck, and it's not about discipline. It's about something most financial advice never mentions. Trap 1. Stokvels and family obligations. In our culture, money is communal. Someone always needs something. Budget a fixed amount for family support. Treat it like an expense. That way you give without guilt and without going broke. Trap 2. Store accounts and buy now, pay later. Edgar's, Trueworth's, Woolworth's account. These feel harmless, but they quietly consume 10 to 15% of your salary in monthly installments. Close what you can. Trap 3. Debit order creep. Gym you don't use, insurance you doubled up on, streaming services you forgot about. Go through your bank statement line by line this weekend and cancel everything you don't actively use. You don't need anything fancy to budget. A simple Excel spreadsheet works perfectly. But if you want something automated, most major South African banks already have built-in budget tools you're probably not using. FNB has the money management feature inside the app. It automatically categorizes every transaction and shows you exactly where your money goes each month. Discovery Bank has a financial analyzer that tracks spending patterns and even rewards you through Vitality Money for good financial behavior. Nedbank has Money Tracker, and ABSA has My Financial Life, both built into their banking apps at no extra cost. The best tool is the one your bank already gave you. Most people just never open it. Budgeting won't make you rich overnight, but it will stop you from being broke every month. And that's where every financial journey starts. If this helped you, subscribe, because every week I'm sharing practical money tips built specifically for South Africans. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's the hardest part of budgeting for you? I read every single one.